Make sure your car is cold to the touch whenever you go to work on coolant. The Thermoswitch or coolant temperature switch is located to the right of the throttle body, red arrow. You will need to drain the coolant level to below the switch. Usually, removing the coolant from the expansion tank is enough, yellow arrow. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. The electrical connection, red arrow, simply pulls straight off the top of the switch, yellow arrow. Use a deep socket 19mm and remove the switch from the opening, red arrow. Inspect the old switch. Buildup of calcium or dirt and debris on the switch is a sign of an unhealthy cooling system. The switch will come with a crush washer. This washer installed on a clean switch is enough to seal the switch. There is no need to add RTV to the switch as the previous owner did here. You do not want RTV getting into your cooling system. Make sure to clean around the port and remove any corrosion or old RTV to give your new switch a clean and flat mounting surface. Installation is the reverse of removal, and don't forget to top up the coolant. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.